CLAUDE.md is like a living document. CLAUDE.md isn't set and forget file, it evolves with your project. Update CLAUDE.md when you add a new custom object, coding standards change, deployment process changes. You notice Claude making a recurring mistake. You join a new team, or a new package gets added. A new constraint is established. After every project sprint, do a 5-minute Claude.md review. What patterns came up? What standards emerge? Add them. Senior teams treat Claude.md as a living documentation. Dead dogs hurt, living dogs compound value. The team that maintain Claude.md ships at least 3 times faster than team that don't. Here's a power move most people don't know. You can ask Claude to update Claude.md itself based on work you just did. The magic prompt is review the work we did in this session, identify patterns or standards that should be added to Claude.md, update Claude.md with these additions. Claude will analyze the conversation, identify repeated decisions, update Claude.md with those new patterns. Every commit the change if you ask. The result is CLAUDE.md evolves with your project organically. You don't have to remember to update it. The patterns you coverage on get documented automatically. This is how a senior team keeps documentation alive. Try this at the end of every coding session. Quarterly, you will have a CLAUDE.md that's incredibly tuned to your team. Let's try to do this in CLAUDE.md in a VS Code. I'm back in VS Code. On my right hand side, in the GUI for Claude, I'll say review the work we did in this session, identify patterns or standard that should be added to Claude.md. So now Claude is evaluating it, whatever work we have done in this particular session. It's still going through the entire session that we have done and seeing and comparing with Claude.md if some changes have to be done. Let's read through what it has reverted one by one. So it first identify the patterns from this particular session. Then it is proposing the difference what it found with the Claude.md. Then it is asking one thing to resolve. So I'll say make it API 66. So it has edited our Claude.md. It made changes to the API version and also added always rules under Apex coding standard, which is with security enforced. Let's go back to presentation. So module 2 is done. You now have a Salesforce tuned Claude.md, both at project level and user level configured. It's a maintenance strategy. The compounding effect is real. Every prompt going forward benefits from this work. By month 3, your Claude.md is so dialed in, you are shipping at 5 times the speed. Coming up in module 3, we're going to talk about daily dev workflows, the bread and butter patterns that ship features fast. Generate, deploy, test loops, trigger frameworks, complete LWCs.